Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn about how to use various types of controls. Controls are the tool which can be dragged from the toolbox on our form, and we can use that controls for various purpose and to perform various types of tasks. So to view the controls which are available in our toolbox, go to Toolbox tab. We can see there is a various types of control. In this example, we will see how to calculate total of two numbers, and we will use text box, button and label control for this application. So first select label control. Label control is used to display text in our form. So I have dragged one label control. I am setting its property text property, which is used to display a text. Enter number 1. So when we set its property and click on the save, automatically one text will be displayed, which is the text of the label control. Now we can copy this control, so automatically text property will be as it is. We will enter the value into text box. So select text box from the toolbox. Here is the text box. We can resize and reposition the text box and any control. So you can drag and drop, you can resize these all controls. Now I want to also set this property of text box. I am setting name property of text box to txt number 1, and I am copying this control. Now take one button and set its property btn add, set its text property to add. Now I am selecting one label control to display answer. So go to the properties of the label, text property to answer, and in front of that I will select one text box to display the answer. Set text box property txt answer. Now we will code for this calculator application. Now click on the add button and declare first variables using the dim keyword number 1, number 2, answer as integer. Now I will utilize this number and I will store the value of text box into the number. So in number 1 variable I will store text box number 1 dot text, means text box value into this number 1 variable. Similarly for number 2, and I will add both these number and store that result into answer variable. So answer is equal to number 1 plus number 2, and I will display this answer variable's value into txt answer text box. So txt answer dot text is equal to answer. Now let's run. Enter the value into text box. I am writing 50 and 20. Click on the add button. We can see the total is written into the text box, which is the answer text box. So this way we can utilize the concept of controls using the toolbox, which is given into the Visual Studio 2010. There are various types of tool available like a checkbox, radio button, combo box and lots of other tools. So we will use that controls in various types of application to create various application using the Visual Basic. This is about controls. Thank you.